Hello everybody, I hope you're as excited as I am for more of the 2003 Cayley competition. We're on question number 16, so hopefully you've given that a try. Question 16, it's a nice evaluation question. It says the value of 4 to the 2003 times 3 to the 2002 divided by 6 to the 2002 times 2 to the 2003 is... Okay. So things that are catching my eye right away, lots of really high exponents. There's no way we could do this on a calculator, especially given all the answers are nice and neat and simple. They're very small numbers. So what I'm thinking is we probably need to start canceling stuff out. Now I think there's sort of two ways we could go about doing this. One way is we could break everything down into prime factors. So that's 6 to the 2002 on the bottom. Well, using exponent laws, that's 2 to the 2002. Times 3 to the 2002. So we can get a bunch of 2's on 2 to the something on top, 3 to the something on top, divided by 2 to the something on bottom, 3 to the something on bottom, and then we can start using exponent laws to cancel out as well. Another thing we can do is I noticed the top is 4 times 3, basically. I mean, there's exponents there, but there's 4 something times 3 to the something. And on the bottom, it's 6 to the something times 2 to the something. Well, 4 times 3 is 12. 6 times 2 is 12. So if we just take 2002, which is the smallest exponents, we can peel off a 4 from the top, a 2 from the bottom. We should get 12 to the 2002 on top over 12 to the 2002 on bottom. And what's left is the 4 on top divided by the 2 on bottom. I'm saying the answer is B. But let's go through the math. Let's go through the steps. Let's work it out by hand, because that's what we have to do here. There's no way we can do this with calculator. Okay. So 4 to the 2003, 3 to the 2002 on top. And by the way, both methods would work. The prime factorization one would do just fine. And it was 6 to the 2002 on bottom, 2 to the 2003. Now before I proceed, let's make sure I've got the numbers right, otherwise I'm going to come up with the wrong answer. Okay. So I want everything to be the 2 to the power of 2002, so I'm going to take out a factor of 4. And that's 2 there. And on the bottom, I'll take out a factor of 2 from here. So 2 times 6 to the 2002 times the remaining 2002 2's. Okay. And now, we've got 4 to the same exponent as the 3. We can bring those in together. So we still have this 4 left out here. But now we got 4 times 3 to the 2002. This question, no matter which way you do it, prime factorization or the way I'm doing it, you need to know your exponent rules. You know, rules like AB all to the C is the same as A to the C, B to the C. That's the one I just used. I reversed that one. I had something to the 2002 times something to the 2002, so I can just bring those two in brackets and multiply them together. Those are the sorts of rules you need to know. Okay. And on the bottom, we had the 2 left out, and then 6 times 2 to the 2002. So really, this is 4 over 2 times 12 to the 2002 over 12 to the 2002. Well, I don't care what that number is. It's something divided by itself. It's going to go away. We're just left with 4 over 2, and that's quite simply 2, and I believe I said that was B. Okay. So that one would work great. If we had done it by prime factorizing, we would have 2 to the 4006 on top. And how many? We'd have 2 to the 2002 plus 2000, so 4005, and those would cancel out. You'd be left with a 2, and we'd have 3 to the 2002 here. And from this 6, we'd get 3 to the 2002. So we'd still get 2 that way as well. So I just sort of verbally went through that one very quickly for those of you who did it that way. The next video, we're going to take a look at question number 17, so I'll see you there.